Good day, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope you are having a wonderful start to your day. I am going to see a friend. I'm walking to her house, and I think I might be late. I should see her at 10. It's now 8:54 a.m. and I'm walking. I'm not taking an Uber, and I'm going to be late. Hopefully when we catch up we can go and have breakfast. It's a beautiful morning. I like mornings. I love mornings. If I have to do anything, I prefer to do it in the morning. Early morning when I have energy and I'm alive. In the afternoon, not so much. But I'll take you along my morning and my day and show you what I get up to. This month I had said I wouldn't be working, but when I got back from vacation I had 2 big clients. They had already paid, and a day before I had done a lot. And then yes, I'm officially taking my rest from not, if I cook I only cook for myself, but not for any clients. Let's see. Today is a day of the week where the roads are usually closed off. People spend time with their family, and you'll see more people walking with their dogs. And hopefully I get to see some of that, so you can see some of that. Walking through this mini park to go up the Glorieta or roundabout. So the road is open up back for riders and cyclists. It's good. I'm happy. Half side of the road is open up completely for riders, walkers, and yeah, that's beautiful. Is this Spider-Man coming? And I'm going in the opposite direction. Whose little cutie is this? Oh, maybe I can walk in this side. Not run. Oopsie. There's a guy behind me running. I am on the side for the runners. After all, I am a runner too, eh? Give me the green light. Give me just one. Boom. I'm getting in my steps. That's what I'm doing. I'm getting in my steps, but by walking. Oopsie. There's skaters coming. Ah! I must say it's beautiful though. It's very quiet at the moment, and it's beautiful to see everyone out running, walking, even skating. Now I'm gonna stop right here because there's no one here for safety reasons. Yeah. I'll be in the traffic light, allegedly. Looking at all directions. These cones right here pretty much mean no car can turn along this road until they're removed. What will the world be like if everyone self-governs? We stopped at the lights. Some of the lights have people that say stop, some don't, and this one is one of the ones that don't. Everyone stopped. There was no car going at the time, and when it changed to red, then everybody went when it was their turn. What would the world be like if everyone was self-governed? As I'm walking and listening to the birds chirping, I asked myself, what do I prefer, the city or the countryside? Why do I prefer the city? Why do I prefer the countryside? The city has a lot of activities, but at times, for me, it can be a little bit noisy. And there are times I like relax, like right now, earlier walking, I could hear the birds chirping, not a lot of cars. You know? But the city has a lot of activities and so much more, I guess. Where the countryside, it's a slower pace, not many things, but people can get organized. But if you live in a country or in the countryside where there are only 30 habitants, how long can you tolerate that, you know? Woo! Things to think about. Oh my goodness. It took me from my house to where I'm going 33 minutes. which is quite early. Damn, I walk fast, maybe. Oh my, I just got back to the house. I'm gonna have breakfast with the husband. He made pancakes. And I had brought tamales. Pancakes. Wait. Pancakes. And what are we having to drink? Had breakfast with the huzzy. Walking with the monstro. Damn. Got a call from a friend. And the call wasn't good, it was bad news. And I tried cheering her up with my, but it was good hearing from her despite the news she had to share. And thinking about it, make you realize that every moment you have with people, just enjoy it. And it makes me wonder, should I think about tomorrow or just think about today? I like thinking about tomorrow. I like planning for tomorrow. But when you plan for tomorrow and things in the future, you forget to enjoy the moment, present moment completely. Oh. No, I just thought that would be nice to share with you guys. Enjoy the moment, present moment. Vinyl book. Oh, we get this one. Oh, yeah. It's taken a while to process, so yeah. So this is a pretty interesting book. Lucha Libre. Adios. Orale. Now that was pretty easy. Now I'm out. Cuando regreso yo quiero este. Este. Adios, señor. It is always a good idea. Oxtail, veggie salad, beets, strawberry, rice. This drink has beets, strawberry, cilantro, and water. Provecho, you can have some. Ooh. Oopsie daisy. It's a beautiful evening for a walk. Today was a great day, a productive day. And we are going for a walk with the doggies. I want to say thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Stay positive, think on possibilities.